I want to show you how I made my farmhouse succulents. Everything is from the Dollar Tree except for the spray paint. I know I've mentioned on several occasions that I always keep my old Williamsburg mason jar containers. So today that's what I'm going to be using. I also picked up some stones or pebbles from Dollar Tree as well as the succulents. I also used sandpaper and some twine. Both did come from the Dollar Tree. Use whatever spray paint works best for you. You would not believe our collection of spray paint cans. This time I'm using the Valspar chalky paint in the white, but they have this in several different colors. And I'm just making sure it's coated all over on the outside, and then I give it plenty of time to dry before I go to the next step. Now the mason jar is completely dry. This is the sandpaper sponge that I'm using. I picked this up at the Dollar Tree several months back, but they still have sandpaper that you can use. What you want to do is just rub the sandpaper along the sides or along the words or the numbers, just the raised surfaces, just to give it a used look, a vintage look, the farmhouse look. You can distress your jar as little or as much as you want. It's whatever you think looks good. I went light-handed and basically just did the majority of the raised letters and numbers and then a few corners. As you can tell, this is the part of the project that took me the longest. So just take your time. Now all I'm going to do is just take my decorative stones that I purchased at Dollar Tree and fill up the little mason jar container so that the succulent will sit nicely inside the jar. Next, I just added a layer of twine around the top of the jar. This just gives it an extra touch. You could also try lace. Dollar Tree has nice ribbons if you'd rather go that way. I just had twine laying around, so I went ahead and used it. Dollar Tree's succulents do have a rather long stem, so I had to trim several inches off of this one so that it would fit nicely in the jar. But once you do that, you just stick it inside and it fits nice and snug. And here's my finished product. I spent possibly $3 on this. I recently saw one similar to this on Etsy for $12.99, so I'm rather pleased with the end result and the price tag. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that button below and become a member of my YouTube family. I appreciate all of you guys. If you like this kind of video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I do have Dollar Tree hauls if you want to go back and check those out. I'm also on Instagram. I'll leave my name below so you can follow me there, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.